Hello, everybody. This is Big City Studios, and well, the day is finally here. This is a video of my entire Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Now, before this video begins, I just want to say two things. For one, my collection is smaller than most, which means that I don't have as much engines as other people. But hey, it's a collection, and it's pretty big, in my opinion, but so. Number two, if you see a little glare in the video, that is because I am in a room with a super huge window. So, anyway, let's begin. With every Thomas Wooden Railway collection video out there, we are going to start with the standard gauge engines. So, let's begin. Here is Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Emily, Diesel, Spencer, Salty, Rosie, Airy, Bert, Molly, Stanley, Paxton, Diesel 10, Ferdinand, Glenn, Neil, Alfred, 87546, Big City Engine, Timothy the Ghost Engine, Jeffrey, and Tornado. Now here are some custom-made original characters of mine. We have Dominic and Howard. And the two narrow gauge engines I have are Rheneas and Duncan. Now here are my rolling stock. Most of these are customs that I have made. They're not actually official Thomas Wooden Railway. I just tried to make them look as Thomas Wooden Railway-ish as possible, and I think it did a pretty good job. But anyway, let's move on. So here are my rolling stock. Here's Annie and Clarabelle. 3 red branch line coaches. The express coaches. Scruffy. Fred Pelhay. Rickety. ULP van. The works unit coach. 4 troublesome trucks, one of which is named Snarky in my series. The Hippo car, 2 salt vans, and 2 Sorter fuel tankers. Now here are 2 of my brake vans. We have Toad and the Spiteful brake van, nicknamed Spidey in my series. And now, here are my roadway vehicles. We have Jack, Max, and the Sodor scrap lorry. Now with that out of the way, let's take a look at all the extra engines. Paint Spider Thomas, Thomas Comes to Breakfast, 60th Anniversary Gold Thomas, LBSC Brown Livery Thomas, 2 painted Percys in Great Western dark green livery, and bronze diesel. And now here are all my off-brand Thomas Wooden Railway items. Some of these can be Brio, they can be Big Jigs, all sorts of stuff. So let's begin. A silver, red, and orange diesel, a blue bullet train, a yellow freight car with coal inside, a green freight car with pipes inside, a blue freight car, a brown van, this used to be green, a hand car, a caboose, a box car, and a coach. And that was my entire Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.